This is Sarah. This is MathedUp on the Road. We're here at the first Robotics Center at Kettering University. Let's get into it.
I'm Kim Shoemaker. I'm the director of the Robotics Center here at Kettering University. We do summer camps June, July, and into early August. Michigan's definitely a hub for robotics. One of the ways that we talk about building better students is most of these events have some type of judging. So they're learning verbal skills and presentation skills to speak to judges, but also critical thinking and problem solving, because the students will sit down and maybe generate a plan of what it is they intend to build. But as you'll see in our camp today, sometimes that plan doesn't work. Well, how do you pivot? How do you come up with a new idea?
It's not just about the numbers. It's about being able to persevere and know, you kind of go, I think there's got to be a math way to solve this. What's your favorite part about the camp?
See the unique things that the students come up with. They always have a tendency to surprise me.
Yeah.
And I go, oh, that's not the way I do it, but
Okay.
it works.
Is this your first year here at camp?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And what do you think so far?
I think I love it. It's really hands-on. I love the examples they give. I love the learning experience.
If you go to kettering.edu/firstvex, which is our robotics page, that will lead you to camp.